Jesus. The past represented by yesterday is a key to a cancel check. And the future, embodied by tomorrow, is not guaranteed. Today, though, is the currency in hand, a resource to be used wisely. It's unfortunate that a lot of us today are either living in the past or in the future. In the past, we live in a sense that we constantly ruminate over what could have, should have, would have happened if only we would have done things differently. Ruminating over all of this causes us to forget that the present moment is important, and also that we cannot do anything about what happened in the past. One thing that you can learn from the past or take with you in the future is the lessons that you've learned, if there are any. And if you've forgotten some of the lessons that your hardships and your pain and misfortunes have taught you, tonight before you go to bed, be encouraged to take a pen and paper, sit in a quiet place alone, write down those lessons you've learned. It will help you to avoid future mistakes in those particular areas. Another thing that we do, which is not right and healthy even for us, constantly drooling or constantly fantasizing about the future. Saying things like, the day I buy that house, the day I get that business, the day I get that job, the day this and that happens, then will I be happy. What a sad way to live. That means you're often putting your happiness on hold on something that you're not even guaranteed will happen. So, what is the best way to live our lives? Is to learn how to be present. You only have today. You only have control over what happens today, not yesterday and neither tomorrow. The big question is, what are you doing with your today? With the opportunities that are afforded you today, in whatever sector you are placed in, what are you doing with those opportunities to grow, to become better? If there's anything that you can do with your life and you can look back and be proud of, it's what you do with your today. Your today will give you results for the future. Make sure that whatever you do today will give you the results that you are proud of when you look back. Results that even your future children will be proud of and be able to take something and learn from that. Remember, the past is represented by yesterday, and that means it's akin to a cancel check. The future embodied by tomorrow is not guaranteed, but today is the currency in hand, a resource that you and I can use wisely.